All right, basic probability. If you place these marbles in a bag, close your eyes and choose a marble, what is the probability that it will be pink? So we have 3 pink marbles out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 total chances. So 3 out of 14 is our fraction. It says to simplify the fraction. 3 is the prime number. 14 is not divisible by 3. So our answer is 3/14. What is the probability of rolling a 3? Well, the chance you'll get a 3 is 1 chance in 1 roll out of a total of 6 options on the dice, because the dice has 6 sides. So our chance is 1 out of 6. What is the probability of spinning a yellow? Oh, it's asking for a percent. So let's figure out the fraction. We have 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces total. So we have to turn that fraction into a percent. Easy way to do that, we'll just write it out. Remember, fractions are division. So we can go to our calculator and we'll go 1 divided by 8. We get 0.125. But percents are out of 100, so we want to probably, did it say anything about rounding? It doesn't, but we'll try it, see if that's what it wants. So tenths place, hundredths place, that means 12 out of 100, but we have to look to the place we're rounding to, the hundredths place here, to look to the right of it to see if we round up or let it rest. 5 and up round up. So this 2 rounds up to 3. So 0.125 we're going to say is 13%, or we're going to say it's 12.5%. I suppose it doesn't say to round. So let's not round and see if we get the answer right. So to change, remember, let's just not round. Do it this way. This would be our rounded answer if we rounded to the hundredths. But if we just want to change this decimal to a percent, we move the decimal place to the right 2 times, and we would get 12.5%. Let's type that in and see if it's what it wants. Yep, that's what it wanted. If you place these marbles in a bag, close your eyes and choose a marble, what is the probability it would be yellow? Simplify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marbles are yellow out of how many total marbles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 5's a prime, so I can only divide it by 5 in itself. Let's see if I can do 14 divided by 5. I know I can't. If I do 14 divided by 5, I get a decimal, so we can't evenly divide 14 by 5. So our reduced answer is 5/14. What is the probability of rolling a 6? You have 1 chance of rolling a 6 out of 6 total rolls, or 6 total options, 1 chance in 1 roll of rolling a 6 out of the 6 possible numbers you could get. So it's 1 out of 6. If you toss a coin, what is the probability it lands tails up? Okay, so you have a 1 in 2 chance. One side is going to be heads, one side is going to be tails. What does it say? Heads up, tails up. So it's a 1 in 2 chance of it being tails up, but it wants it in a percentage. So again, if we want to, maybe we just know that half is equal to 50%, because half of 100 is 50 and percents are out of 100. Or if you want, you can put it in your calculator like I've shown you how to do before. You'd go 1 divided by 2, you would get 0.5. But to change a decimal to a percentage, we move the decimal to the right twice. Now the decimal is here. We fill in that blank with the 0, and it would be 50%. 50% chance. What is the probability of spinning a bee? They try to trick you with the colors here, it looks like. So a bee, we have 1, 2, 3 bees out of 8 total options. So our fraction would be 3 out of 8. We will put that in our calculator to get a decimal we can turn into a percentage like it asks us to do. We get 0.375. Oh, let's try that again. 0.375. And this does not mention anything about rounding, so we're just going to turn the decimal to a percent by moving the decimal to the right twice. We get 37.5%. And the next lesson. All right, good luck with basic probability.